lovely people. Wagwan.
Hi, my name is Karen and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this neutral soft glam look. And I'm recording my intro after getting back from being out, by the way.
I actually went out today and I've had this look on for the whole day. Before I get started though, I just wanted to send prayers out to all the people in Australia. I know they're going through it right now with all those wildfires going on. And I just send my prayers and love. On a lighter note though, I've been watching this show called Witcher. I think it's called The Witcher or Witcher. I'm in love with that show. The killings and the the blood and stuff, that part I don't like because I'm not good with that. Whenever those scenes come on, I turn my head away or close my eyes. But like the storyline, I love. So I suggest you check that out. And when I think of soft glam, I think of nudes.
First, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows, and I'm using the NYX eyebrow pencil in the shade medium brown. I have a more detailed tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, and I will go ahead and link that video down below in case you're interested. Now, normally I use my Revlon Color Stay eyebrow pencil, but I ran out, so I decided to use my NYX pencil, which is a backup for me, and it's a nice pencil as well. It's way cheaper and it does the job. And here I'm just using my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 360 and cleaning up my eyebrows. Now I'm just taking the Skin Tone NYX eyeshadow base and priming my eyes. After I warm up my eyes with the Fenty Beauty bronzer, I'm going back in with my NYX eyeshadow base to cut the crease. And I'm going for a warm nude neutral look on the eyes, so I'm not going to be going over the cut crease with anything. I'm just going to leave it as is. Here I'm just taking the shade Ginger from the Jackie Aina palette to just blend out the edges from the cut crease and to bring the whole eye look seamlessly together. Okay, so I'm sure you know by now that I don't brighten my T-zone area with concealer. I actually just use a lighter foundation because I find that the application is smoother and more flawless. I also don't bake. I'll just lightly put a little bit of powder on my face and I'll spray a little bit of setting spray. Clean off that beauty mark, girl. I'm highlighting with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. And this is the only powder that doesn't give me a harsh look when I highlight with it. It just gives me a nice glowy look. Now I do still use my Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator by NYX, but this one is very good as well. Next, I'm just filling in my lips with this nude color that I got from my Victoria's Secret palette. I don't think they have this anymore, but you can find nude lipsticks anywhere nowadays. I'm so proud of myself, y'all. I remember when I first started wearing lashes, I could not put them on to save my life. And now I'm like a pro. I mean, I still have my moments, but it's so much easier for me now. And here's the finished look. This is actually my husband's favorite look on me. He loves when my natural hair is just up in a bun. And I have just a simple, neutral, glowy look going on. I mean, he tells me I'm beautiful without makeup, but if I were to wear it, this is the look that he loves the most.